Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know, and we have another drill to test out. Look at this packaging. It is so beautiful. Look at that. So this is from Saviland. You guys know Saviland. I love Saviland products, but look at the RPMs on this machine. 50,000. That is the strongest available that I have seen. It has 6,000 mAh battery, up to 12 hours lasting time of that battery. The slot holder for the handpiece is bilateral, meaning you can put it on either side, and it's got 5 colors of lights. Let's look at the other side of the box. Still beautiful. 30 watts of power, 5 hours charging time, 12 hours use time, speed up to 50,000 RPM, display is LCD, and charging is USB. Here are their contact details. This is available on Amazon. I will leave you the link for it as well. Even the flap is beautiful. Let's open it. All right, so here's what we have. We have instructions. Let's have a quick peruse of what's in here. Looks like it tells us a little bit about the drill and about the different bits that it does come with. And it gives us a little show of how the indicator works. On the back side, are you happy? Here's what you can do. Are you unhappy? Here's what you can do. Pause to read if you would like. Now, here's the important part. Let's get into this. So it does come with your standard pack of drill bits. It looks like mine have fallen out of their slots and are rolling around. They're purple. Even the sanding bands are purple. And then it did give us a couple of these. This one is very skinny. Good for cleaning around the cuticles. Let me get something to get that out. I can't get a hold of this with my fingernails. How funny. All right. So we have a small flame bit. You can use this for taking off product. We do, of course, have the holder for the handpiece. I don't generally use these because I don't clip it on, but it's here. Look at the beauty right here. Let's get this out. Let me scoot this back. Okay, so here's the handpiece. Look how pretty that is. I love this locking part. Look how nice it is. And this is solid, like this is metal, and it's really heavy. Like you can feel the quality. And then here is the back. The cord is removable. That is also not super common. Generally, it's stuck on here. But this is completely independent. It does lock and unlock to pull that out. And look how far down this goes. Generally, these stick out a little bit more. So I don't know if the bar is shorter or if it just goes in deeper. Let's set that to the side for a moment though. Here's what's important though. Let's get this out. Luckily, I was able to get a hold of that and pull it out with this. Let's see what's underneath here real quick. Okay. Here's our connector cord. We've got a charger. It is USB-C. More sanding bands. A buffer. Another buffer. And this fancy little dust brush with its rainbow handle. How pretty is that? I like these, and they match the drill. This is really nice. So let's have a look at this. Let's peel off this screen. We don't need that. This part is cool. So to turn it on, we have a button up here. This is also the pause button. So if you hold it down, it turns it on. It turns it on in pause. If you click it, it unpauses. If you click it, it puts it back in pause. Let's connect it. So here's our cord. It looks like the ends are the same, so it shouldn't matter which end you put in which piece. Connected and connected. Perfect. All right. Let's turn it on and give it a listen. Look, even the name Saviland down here lights up. That is so pretty. And then here are the forward and reverse buttons. Also, we have USB-C in and out and the USB charging hole. All right, so we're in pause. Let's turn her on. Oh, we can hear it. Here's 10. Ooh, look, when we went to 11, it's changed to blue. 20. Ah, 21. It changed colors again. Now it's white. 30. Now this is where your typical nail drills are gonna max out. 31. It turned to hot pink. 40. This is where some of your higher speed drills max out. And with 42, 41, it changes to red. And we can go all the way up to 50, and this is where it maxes. If you continue to turn, it does not continue to go up. So here is the sound. I can feel it in here, but it is stable. And it looks like this is moving without wobble, and I can feel that pull. So that's really good. I am interested to see what the torque is like, because from my reading, it is supposed to have really good torque. And what that means is when you put pressure, it shouldn't stop or bog down. But we're gonna find out. Let's turn this back down and cycle back through our fun little colors. Oh, and let me show you the pausing. Pause at 32. I need to set this down and go do something real quick, but then I can come back and resume. That's a really good quality in a drill. I have some drills that don't pause, and I like it when they do, because having to cycle back through all those numbers is not as convenient. And then when you're done, hold it down, turn it off. We're gonna use this to take off these nails, and I'm gonna show you. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my dust collector, I have my drill. We're about to take both of these off. I have chosen to go in with this green, which is on the coarser end, flame bit. Normally I take these off with the carbide bits, but it offered me a flame bit. This one's just more coarse, and I was actually doing some reading up the other day about why you would choose one or the other. And normally I don't pick these because they wear down a lot quicker, but I have them, so I might as well use them. And it says that they take a lot longer to get hot, so that can be more comfortable. So we're gonna give it a try. So let's do it. All right, we're ready to go in and take off this hand. Let's start with maybe a 10. Yeah? We're gonna have to switch the direction as well. We're gonna go reverse since we're working with our left hand. And let's take these off. We'll start here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this up to a 15 because I do want to cut through this product and get it off. There we go. Got that one down. It's a little chunky. That's okay though. We'll smooth that off. Now, I'm not left-handed, so I'm gonna be super careful to do this. Let's turn this up. Let's try 20. This is solid builder gel, and it is strong. All right, we've got that one down. I just stuck the drill over here to my knuckle. That was stupid. One down, 4 to go. Cut right through that one. There we go. 2 off, and I'm gonna go ahead and knock these other ones out real quick off camera. I'm gonna stop there because I don't wanna go too far down. We'll soak the remaining off, but it's pretty much gone. And that took literally minutes, maybe 2, maybe 3. It does say 3 minutes to remove a nail. I'm impressed. Look at that. Look how well it took those off, and it was so quick. I am very impressed. I've taken off nails like this before, and it has taken so much longer, but that just cut through them. And I don't know if the type of drill I was using was part of how well it worked, but if it is, I'm gonna keep using those. And I didn't hit myself not one time. Mostly whenever I take my nails off, I end up hitting my cuticle at least once. I'm very impressed. highly recommend this, and I never got above 18, and I just picked 18 to start with. Really, I probably could have did it with a lesser speed, and usually I've got to max these things out to cut through product. 100% recommend. All right, so we have got both of these hands cleaned off. I got them down very thin. I'm gonna have to do a soak off for the remaining because there's some base coat on here that I put with regular nail polish. And I haven't taken this all the way off in a long time. It's been having the same thin layers and just adding to it since then. So we're gonna start fresh for the next couple of nail sets. Let's see if you can guess when those are based on how you see this, because these videos and the nail videos that are about to happen are not necessarily gonna post in order or around the same time, so that'll be a fun game. Anywho, this is a really good drill. Really, really, really good drill. Definitely do recommend. I never even got close to its highest speed, so who knows what that performance would look like. Probably pretty magnificent, but it took it off. It went quick. Much quicker than any of the other drills that I have. If you're in the market for a new drill, highly recommend. Get this one. I will leave you a link. Now, Saviland did send this over to me, so thank you so much for that, Saviland. I don't know if y'all know, but I love Saviland products. I'm always showing you the awesome stuff that they have. If you're not familiar with them, go check out their website, go check out their Amazon page. All that's gonna be down below. You're missing out. And the prices on Saviland products are significantly more affordable than some of those high-end products, but the quality is still there. So if you can get quality for a better budget, why wouldn't you? But that's it, I'll wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you did make it this far, leave me an emoji of a hand. And definitely make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss my content. Check the description for my links and discount codes. There's all kinds of stuff down there. Go ahead and save some money while you're shopping. And make sure you're following my socials. I post things over there that sometimes don't make it over here, and you want to be there for that. If you like this video, definitely hit that like button. The algorithm thanks you, and so do I. So I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.